Okay, 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B is the formula, and the questions will be like this. Okay, integral cos 3x cos 2x dx, integral cos 7x cos 2x dx, integral cos 3x cos 2x dx, integral cos x cos 2x dx. Okay, integral cos 4x cos 2x dx. Okay, and I am going to next formula. Now two sines, this is 2 coses and this is 2 sines, and the formula is same. It is in the term of 2 coses are in term of cos terms, and 2 sine also it is in the term of terms of coses. Okay, now I will read this one, and the questions will be like this. Integral sin 2x sin 4x dx, integral sin 7x sin 2x dx, integral sin 8x sin 4x dx, integral sin 5x sin x dx, then integral sin 7x and sin 5x dx. These are the 4 formulas and the problems regarding to the model number 1. And last but not a least, we have here 2 formulas are there, no? And we will solve 2 questions. Integral sin x into sin 2x sin 3x dx is the one question, and integral cos x cos 2x cos 3x dx is another question, by using of 2 formulas, 2 coses and 2 sines. Now 2 cos A cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Another one 2 sin A, 2 sines ఉన్నప్పుడు 2 sin A sin B is equal to sin A minus B minus sin A plus B. These 2 formulas we use for solving these 2 questions. This is the overall view of model number 1 in the unit number 1. Thank you for listening my classes and giving support. Viewers are 1.7k viewers we reached, and watching time of videos are shorts. It is approximately 2.3 hours you are watching. Thank you. Support me, and if it is any you are not understanding, please comment in the chat box. Okay, thank you for listening. Please share my YouTube channel to your friends, relatives, family members. These videos are very important for diploma students as well as intermediate to be last 3 lessons. Thank you.